Sabal Khair. Good morning, how are you guys? Okay, so today I'm very excited because actually I'm going to Dubai today. Dubai, the United Arab Emirates. And I'm flying from Cairo International Airport and I'm going to spend my weekend there in Dubai, and I think this is going to be an epic trip. Okay, so I'm going to fly Gulf Air. It's my first time also to fly Gulf Air. I'm first heading to Bahrain, or as you say it in Arabic, it's called something like Bahrain, or something like that, yeah, in Arabic. So I'm flying there first, and then I will go to Dubai from Bahrain. Yeah, it's just because the tickets were cheaper than going with a direct flight from Cairo to Dubai. So, but for me, it's exciting to see a new airport, and I like to travel, so this will be nice. Meshi, yalla bina. Let's go to Dubai. My flight number was GF70 and the name of the aircraft was Airbus 330A. I can tell you that the airplane was bigger than I expected, but anyways, this time the airplane was almost empty. I will say that this airplane was an average airplane with the things you need when you're out flying. There was of course a table, a screen with movies, music, games and all this stuff. And as always, there was a small window so I could enjoy the takeoff. Right after the takeoff, they served us the dinner. And I'm not lying when I say that this meal is the best airplane food I have ever tasted. Kofta with rice, amazing and so tasty. They also gave us a very good apple cake. It was just perfect, and I was so happy with all this amazing food on the airplane this day. After the cake, of course, I had to end the meal with a cup of coffee. And the coffee was also great. Normally, I never go to the toilet on the airplane, but since I was making a flight review, I had to try the toilet just to see how a toilet inside the airplane is. And yes, it's small. I've always been thinking that the toilet is small, but this is like very small. Okay, so I don't think I will use the toilet in the airplane again, but anyways, the landing in Bahrain was very nice. Just look at these pictures. Actually, I was really satisfied with traveling with Gulf Air, and they had the cheapest tickets to Dubai from Cairo. So thank you so much, and I will fly with you again. Welcome to Bahrain, ahlan wa sahlan. I just got this coffee and a donut and I will try it now, and the price was 2.9 BD. That says me nothing. I will try to find out how much that is in dollars and I will write it here. The donut is perfect. Perfect. Okay, now I have learned something about the prices here, because I got this Coke from a shop here inside the airport. Yeah, so the price in the local currency was 0.35, and in US dollar it was 0.94. I was thinking that the prices here in Bahrain was more expensive, and we are now even at the airport, so I guess the prices on the airport are more than outside and inside the city, and yeah. Come on. Okay, so I was thinking that the prices here was higher than this and more expensive. This is the thing I don't like with the airports. So much information, even if I don't need the information.
Your attention, please. This is the final call.
Your attention, please. This is the final call.
Flight number. The flight is ready to depart.
This is so annoying, especially when I'm trying to vlog. So, what I'm trying to say is that I was thinking that the prices here was more expensive, higher than this, so it's okay. Maybe you have some questions about the airport and you're wondering how is the airport in Bahrain, and I can try to say something. I mean, I have been to some airports in my life, and this is not the worst and it's not the best, but it's okay. The airport is like constructed and organized in a very good way, so I guess for most people this is a very easy airport to find your gate on. At least it's easy for me. But if you're traveling here to Bahrain and you have a connection flight here in Bahrain, you don't have to worry. It's a very simple place. So now I'm just waiting here, and I will stay here for like 1 hour more. What else? No, I think I'm fine. Okay, so now I guess my boarding will start very soon, and see you in Dubai. And I arrived in Dubai safely. The flight was not delayed. Now I'm very excited. I'm in Dubai for my first time. Yes, that's so cool. Everything on the airport in Dubai was very, very fast. They took a metro line from the gate and to the terminal. I found my luggage in like 1 minute and went straight through the security control. Very easy and fast. I stayed in Dubai for a weekend with an Egyptian vlogger called Mohammed Elhady. He's living in Dubai and showed me some awesome places there. We went to the desert with some problems. We saw some crazy places in the city and a lot of places you can visit for free. More videos is coming soon on my channel, so if you want to see more from this crazy city in the middle of the desert, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Ma salama.